Alongside analyzing and observing the miracles performed by Huzur Ghaus Azam, Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahimahullah ta'ala, we should also take benefit from his ta'limat, from his teachings also. He was a man whose miracles, his karamat were prevailing even prior to his birth. He was born as a wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He was a born wali. However, throughout his entire life, he was consistently seeking the knowledge of Islam. A person who was born as a wali of Allah, lekin throughout his entire life, he studied Islam. This is a message for me and you, that we should busy ourselves in studying the religion as well. This is such a thing which will allow us to come closer towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger alayhi salatu wa salam. Huzur Ghaus Azam was questioned what things made him, what things assisted him in becoming the great man that he became. And he responded that two things benefited me more than any. One, the seeking of the knowledge, studying the religion, studying Islam. And secondly, I had respect, adab. This is something which benefited me greatly as well. So these are the concepts that we should understand alongside understanding his karamat, understand his ta'limat.